I love the DJI Osmo Action's magnetic quick-release system. Unfortunately, this system does not fit the new Pocket 3. Since I don't want to spend a lot of time screwing the Pocket 3 on and off all the time, I started looking for a solution and found it. Only two small accessories are required. The first part is a magnetic adapter plate which can be attached to the 1/4 inch thread. In principle, this plate can be screwed directly onto the thread of the additional handle, but it is quite complicated if the mini tripod is to be used later. It is therefore advisable to also purchase the small adapter charging base. You screw the adapter plate onto the charging base and you have a perfect, robust accessory for using the quick release system with the Pocket 3. The two parts are available on eBay or AliExpress. Have fun with the adapter.